Okay, so welcome to a new video. Today I have 2 baby sessions with girls. So, well, for the first baby I cannot vlog or show photos, but she will be 4 months old. So she will be here for like a belly session, like lying on her belly, lying on her back. I heard that someone was confused when I said sitter session because I thought it was like with a babysitter or something. I get the confusion, but I don't know what else to call it. But anyway. So now I'm just going to set up. As you can see, it's still a little bit set up from yesterday's sitter session with a boy. But I'm still going to use like those 3 decors, but just with different little colors, pops of colors. The green backdrop I'm going to change for the blossom one and then use them for both sessions. So I can keep it the same the whole day, but just, you know, different accessories and stuff. Yeah, a lot of people are always asking me where I got this blossom background from. I'll put the link in the description of this video. It's from a Dutch website, but they do ship worldwide, I think. And they have a lot of different designs. The quality stays great. I've been using this backdrop for like, I don't know, 4 or 5 years maybe. It's vinyl. You can wipe it clean. It's thick vinyl. It doesn't wrinkle. Awesome. Recently, I've started using backdrops from another website, so that's where the mint green and the beige one come from. I actually like that quality a little bit better because it's a little bit thicker vinyl, but they're both good. And that one, well, this one is like fotoachtergronden.nl, sounds ridiculous in English, and then the other one is from studiobackdrops.eu, and they ship within Europe, I think, but check it out. Okay, so when I style a session, like especially when it's a baby session, I like to create like different textures, but kind of in the same color. So for boys, I would use some burlap, then a wooden ball on top, then like a knitted little blanket in the same, you know, earthy toned color, whatever. So for girls, I also like to use these crocheted doily layers. I have no idea what you call them. I got them in a secondhand shop. They were like 50 cents each, pretty much. So I have a bunch of them, and to style it, I just throw them here, and then I place my wooden ball, and maybe the rocking horse, and then these little knitted blankets from Heart-Made Photography Props. Ta-da! And you got your set. So let me show you. So this to me looks really cute. Well, it's missing a baby, but besides that. I do realize the camera is up too high, so you don't really see it. But because this baby is 4 months old, she can't sit yet. So I'm going to get rid of the bowl. And then I just have like blankets for her to lie on. So I want to have 2, so it's nice and soft. So she'll have a blanket and then another blanket on top of the little doily crochet layers. Just to create some texture in the photo, to make it look very pretty. And then the baby will be wearing like an outfit in the same kind of color. Okay, so here you see my first setup. Here I thought it would be nice to have some purple tones in there. This is like a felted layer, and the baby just lies on top of it. Maybe it's too many layers. Maybe I'll get rid of this one, for example. For the blossom background, for now it kind of looks a little bit lonely and sad, but it's just one little blanket to lie on, and you kind of have to see it like this. I know I'm tilting you guys, but yeah. And then that's the 4th decor, and I do have outfits here which I usually use for baby and sitter sessions. If she's still really small, because she's only 4 months old, we might go for the newborn outfits, because sometimes, you know, these ones are kind of big for a newborn. So then, you know, it's kind of like an in-between age. And I'm going to show you some new items I got real cheap. I really like it when I can buy something on sale. I know that there are many like really cool boutiques where you can buy outfits, especially for, you know, photo shoots. There are a lot of stores on Etsy, and it's great that people craft outfits, and they should ask fair wages, you know, fair prices. Because you want to pay yourself a good wage. And like if you're knitting an outfit for an entire day, you've spent 8 hours knitting, you don't just want to charge 20 bucks for that outfit, because then your hourly wage would be really low. So I can imagine that they charge $40, $50, $60 for a handmade, knitted, beautiful outfit. In this case, I was just looking for some basic little newborn pants that I can use during sessions. And I can knit them, well, I can not knit, I can crochet, but then I think the structure is just a little bit too big. I don't know, if I crochet, it's kind of like chunky, you know? So, and my sewing machine and I, we still have to work on our relationship. So I thought I would just go to a little budget store to see if they had some newborn pants there. And I was really surprised because they actually had a sale going on and I only paid like €1 for most of the newborn little pants. So anyway, so I bought the smallest size they had, which is like a size 50. And look at these little pants. They're stretchy and it's kind of like a fake corduroy kind of material. And look at the price, you guys. So I mean, the Dutch viewers might recognize this tag. It's from a shop called Zeeman, and they have really, you know, they have good rompers for babies, and like they use organic cotton, but they're just really cheap, very basic. Like normally these little trousers are like €3, and now they were on sale for €1, and they're so cute. So perfect size for a newborn. I got that one in pink as well. I also got it one size bigger. This is 5, so one size bigger, but I have it smaller as well. But I already washed it and I used it yesterday during a newborn session, so I can show you the footage right now. Such a cool, adorable little pen. And they were all like €1 each. Then I got these little pens, also €1 each. It's kind of like a velvety material. Very cute for newborns. Little like sweatpants. Both sides, same size. The pink one looks way bigger. Pink one is way bigger. That's the thing with these kind of stores. Yeah, you just have to see how it falls. Anyway, they should be the same size. And the blue one is like a lot smaller. So the blue one is size 56 and the pink one is size 56. Both €1. Okay, I'm just continuing on the memory card. I wanted to get all sizes 50, but couldn't find them all. In my case, all the newborns still wear their diaper, so when I do the bum up position or the head on hands position, I like it when they're wearing a little, you know, when they're wearing little pants. And then it doesn't have to be like a whole outfit. Later on, I will wrap them so they can have, you know, just their diaper on, and then with the legs and the wrap, you cover the diaper. And sometimes I have beautiful outfits, you know, bodysuits, and you know, that's really cute as well. But just for the bum up position and the head on hands position, I think these little pants are adorable. So, and then I got something else. These ones were €3 each. So yeah, so this is a size 50. I bought it for the pants. It's like a stretchy little, how do you call this? We call them in Dutch, if you translate it literally, garden pants. Tuinbroek. Overalls. Probably overalls. They have little buttons here in the bottom where you can open it. It's very stretchy. And it came with a little t-shirt. So I bought it in the smallest size they had, like a size 50. So I think it's a little bit too big for like a really small newborn. But if it's like a bigger newborn or already a baby who's like 3 months old, I think it works really great. And I bought it one size bigger as well, size 68. So that could be like for a 6-month-old baby, like a milestone session. It came with a t-shirt, but I actually like it without a t-shirt, when they just, you know, they don't wear anything on their chest, just a little outfit, and like with some, like with a hat or something. I think it's really cute. €3, you guys. So you don't always have to buy outfits which are especially designed for photo sessions. They can be really cute, but sometimes I just buy stuff at the Zara, H&M, in this case a store called Zeeman, super cheap. Yeah, just look around, you can find stuff everywhere. You can make stuff yourself, but seriously, if you can buy them for €1, why bother, you know, buying the fabric and the elastic and whatever, and then making them yourself? Super cheap. So anyway, that was my little outfit update, and then I have something fun to show you after this session. Okay, so do you ever have trouble trying to remember names? Because I do sometimes, especially when I see, I don't know, 3, 4 children in one day. I tend to forget their names sometimes. Not if they're really common names, but more if they are not as common. So I thought I could help myself a little bit here in the studio. Like, I'm not even gonna be bothered trying to remember the parents' names. I'll just call them mom and dad during the session. So I got myself something. And it's this beauty. I'm gonna show you what it is. It cost me €5.99, which is just €6. At a store called Vibra, and they sell like home decor and clothing items. You can probably get this at a Target, Hobby Lobby, I don't know. But so it's like a letter board, but like I used to have like a light box, and I thought it would be good to use that one. But it takes quite a lot of time to slide all the letters out, to get the right letters, to slide them back in, and then when you lift up the letter box, like all the letters fall out. So here you pin the letters in the board. So I could write something like, welcome baby. Well, today I have a baby Julia. So I'm gonna write down, welcome baby Julia, to, I don't know, maybe the name of my photography business. Let's see how many letters I can get in. Yeah, you just press the letter into the board and it doesn't come out. That's cool. Very nice. Okay, I'm gonna show you the finished result. Okay, so I cut them off instead of ripped them off. This is what it looks like now. I have plenty of letters still left over, so I can make cool fancy names in here. So I only have to remove these letters, take them out, put the new ones in. It goes super fast. So I'm gonna put it in a place somewhere where I can see it throughout the entire session. So if I halfway during the session forget what the baby's name was with a Julia, I will not forget. But normally I might. So I can just, you know, kind of like look at the sign and be like, oh, Julia, yeah, she's asleep. I mean, you can have Julia, you can, you know, feed Julia now if you want, you know, yeah. So I'm gonna put it somewhere where I can see it, and I think it's a nice personal touch. So the parents might really like it when they come in and they feel really welcome and they know that I prepared for the session. And yeah, so they might even take a photo of this and post it on their Instagram. Like, this is where we are right now. We're doing a photo session. Advertising, you guys. You can do a hashtag, whatever. I think this is good. Yep. It's okay. I cannot make a decision on which wall art I'm gonna remove. So for now, I just have it here because they changed the baby here, so they'll definitely see the sign. I know it's not the perfect location because the baby might kick it off. Because, you know, I remove this one sometimes as well. Actually, I want to have something fancy here, like some nice creams, maybe rituals, whatever. Yeah, for now, maybe I'll just put this one there, only there. With some tiny baby diapers, something like that. I think it looks nice. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Love to read your comments. Hopefully you'll see me in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.